Welcome to Technically Explained. Today in this video we are going to learn some important tricks and tips of MS Word. So let us start. First I want MS Word to read my text. For that I need to go here to the Customize Quick Access toolbar. I need to click on it and then scroll down and click on more commands. After clicking on more commands, this type of window will appear. Now we have choose commands from popular commands. I need to change it to all commands. It will take few seconds and then it is going to change to all commands. So here we go, we have all commands. Now we will scroll down and search for speak. These are arranged in alphabetical order, so you need to search for SP. So SP is some here somewhat. There we go, we have speak here. So I need to add this. After clicking on it I need to add this and then I need to press OK. If you can have a look, the speak selected text have appeared here. Now if you want to read some text, I can simply click on it. Let me click and highlight it and I can click here.
Charlie was born and raised in Louisville, Kentucky, and began training as an amateur boxer at age 12.
As you
Charlie
have heard that it has converted text to speech. It has read out, MS Word has read out the text to me. The other important point is smart lookup. What we do that whenever we come across an MS Word document and there is some word that we are not fully aware of, we go on to the internet and we search it on the internet. We do not need to do that. For example, there is a word amateur. I'm not fully aware of this word. By the way, I am. So I can simply highlight it and right click on it, and here I can click on smart lookup. When I click on smart lookup, if you have the internet connection, here we go, you have the definition of that appearing. Amateur boxer is a variant of pro boxer practice at the collegiate level, etc. So if you want to know about any word that you do not have enough knowledge of it, you can simply click on it and then right click on it and go to the smart lookup, and you will see some details related to that word, instead of copying it and pasting it in the uh, Chrome browser or in the Google. So this was my second trick, which was about smart lookup. Third trick is that sometimes we need to copy and paste multiple sentences. For example, I want to copy and paste two sentences, one this one and one the other one. I cannot do it directly. To paste multiple sentences, I need to go to this clipboard. We have a clipboard here. I need to click on this button. When I click on this button, I have one text appear before, but if I want now multiple text, for example I want this sentence, I can simply right click and copy, or I can simply press Ctrl C. So now this text has been transferred to the clipboard. And if I want the other sentence, for example, as a Muslim, this thing, if I want this sentence again, I will copy this sentence and my both sentences are now copied to the clipboard. If I want to paste it in some other Word document, I can simply open the other document as I have did now, and I can paste these two. I can simply say paste. So this is now pasted, and I can simply paste this as one. So for multi pasting we use the clipboard. This was my third trick. My fourth trick is, let me go to my original Word. So let me clear all this clipboard and let me go to the Word again. My fourth trick is that you can actually pin your desired MS Word document if you want. Whenever you go to the open tab, as we can have a look, we have different types of pinned documents, which are these. Now if I want this document to be pinned, I can simply click on the pin button and it will move to the top. As you can have a look, Signal and System Labs have moved to the top. So that's how we can pin any desired document that we want, and that will appear on the top. My other Excel important tip is the calculate button. You can calculate equations in MS Word also. To do that, you need to again go to the customize quick access toolbar. After clicking on it, you need to again come to the more commands, and here you need to again select all commands. After selecting all commands, it will take few seconds. After selecting all commands, you need to come to the calculate, which starts with C. Again, these are arranged in alphabetical order. So here we go calculate, we add it, we press OK. So this circle type is my calculate. Now if I have some equation, let me write a simple equation, but it can also calculate very complex equation. I will simply highlight it and press calculate here. And here we go, the result of the calculation is 4. So you can calculate expressions in MS Word. So this is my another trick where you can uh, calculate expressions. Other trick is that we can copy and paste source. We can copy and paste the source text file. For example, if I go to Wikipedia and I type in Muhammad Ali again, now I have this text. Let me copy some text. So I will simply press copy. Now if I come to Word, let me this delete 5 plus 6 plus 7. If I come to Word, in paste I have different options. So if you want to paste it as keep text only, we can paste it at keep text only, and that will not paste colors or other things. So it will paste in original source. Here we go, we have pasted it in original source. So this was some of the tricks in MS Word. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you learned something new. Thank you. Please subscribe to Technically Explained.